welcome back to my channel. So today we are heading to Arong, Mithun Breeding Centre for a picnic. Me and my sister and my niece, we are going. My go-to outfit.
So this is the Arong.
We are finally here. Bumming. Oh.
So these Mithuns are Nurbuzumchi Izime Riksanda.
Suddenly it's raining. 찹찹니 구수이 신디 팔레파시 주니비 데이겠다. It's raining, so we are coming back. The 찹찹니 구수고 인레지리리. That is wild berries. This is the one. 아니죠. We are jungle people, so easy dress tawonisa. Maridu nanudu thombe samugi. Yara. I think I'm booking it.
Initially we thought of having our picnic at the canopy, but Chapchape Persporia so we are going to search for a good spot.
So we decided to have lunch here. Sport not a good place, not a good place. So we are going to search one good spot for picnic. So let's go now. The place China Hechi, so I think it's here. I think. I know in Zoom. Look at this. Juicy nimshadime. Very nimshada.
And for the picnic we had mushroom and chicken.
님기 싫어. 님기 세도. 자, 사비 주도메 다빈. finally at the viewpoint. So another house to do. Think me.
Ani teacher house me.
Oh my! Tree house. Ani video me. Ani di chashu roof. This is the roof. So I'm giving 8 out of 10. It's just near the road. And I can stay everything is nice to do. Now we are living. It's so sunny, Alama. Oh my! Samsung Hardi. Sewalo, Nim Shawalo.